I am officially at the age where if anyone asks me my age, I now say age is just a number. No. How old are you? Age is just a number. How old are you? Age is just a number. How old are you? Age is just a number. मैडम आप आरटीओ में हैं, प्लीज एज लिख लीजिए. Spoil. You know what I found? I found out that age is just arthritis and heart disease. And in my specific case, the inability to hold in my pee. Yes. You know, when you're 17, you pee when you want to pee. You make choices about these things. I pee when I sneeze. It's what it is. A couple of months ago, I went to watch a movie with my niece. So we went to the theater. She picked me up. We drove for 40 minutes to the mall. Then we took 20 minutes to find parking. Then we took 30 minutes to find the elevator that would take us to the 6th floor. By which time I thought I was going to die. I was like, listen, as soon as we get to the 6th floor, I have to go to the toilet, okay? And she's like, yeah, Chachi, same here. Even I'm desperate. I'm like, oh, thank God, partners in crime. So we get to the 6th floor, elevator doors open, and that's when we realized that the toilets are at the far end of the floor. Yeah. So at this point, my niece turns to me and says, Chachi, I'm just going to go after the movie, yeah. It's a 3-hour movie. Yeah. Do you want Coke? That's youth, by the way. I don't know what age is, but that is what youth is. Yeah, youth is not, you know, tight skin and bloody boobs under your chin. And it's a nice tight bladder that can hold liters upon liters of urine, sit through a 3-hour film in air-conditioned misery, and sip on an ice-cold Coca-Cola and feel nothing. That's a young woman right there, you know. Someone who feels no pain and who has no fear of making it to the bathroom in time. That doesn't go through your mind, does it? Yeah. And you know, I mean, most of you know that in public places, women, we do not sit on the commode. We hover, okay? And when you're young, you can hover with wild abandon. You just take your pants off and you hover. You don't even look to see what's going on. You don't care because you know that your body is built in such a way that the jet spray is going to be in one direction only. That is not the case for me. Okay? For me, when I'm squatting over the toilet, it could be anywhere. It is a fucking Jackson Pollock painting. It's like, oh my God, what the fuck? By the way, I'm a sprinkler system at this stage. If there's a fire, hook me up to the roof, give me a bottle of water, we'll be fine. Oh my God, in every direction known to me. Do you know that the other day it went backwards? I have now peed up my own ass. Oh my God. The worst. But you know, I see why we say things like age. Like age is just a number. Age deniers, you know, it's a hard thing to accept that we are aging. It is. Because it sneaks up on you, you know. 1 minute you're young and fun and running around the mall with a full bladder. And the next minute your period stops. Everything changes when you're in menopause, you know, like your body goes through like major fucking changes. My gynecologist told me, she said, listen, your libido will collapse. but don't worry, it's a symptom of menopause. I was like, okay, all right, is it a symptom of menopause or is it a symptom of marriage? Because it's confusing. So I went home to my husband. I'm like, I'm sorry, we can't have sex. It is a symptom of menopause. And he was like, okay, so you've been in menopause for like 10 years now, got it. Like, yes, perhaps. Perhaps. So I have a theory, okay? This is it. We are all young until the age of 40, and then we are all old after the age of 40. But between the age of 40 and 55 is the adjustment period. It takes 15 years to be able to accept that we are now old. So what we call ourselves is middle-aged. That's what we've decided, okay? And as a middle-aged woman, I have the opportunity to observe middle-aged people in their natural habitat, which is the dinner party. Yes. Middle-aged people go to dinner party. We don't go to clubs and bars and all that nonsense because people don't want us there. We fuck the vibe up and we know this, so we don't go. So what we do instead is we all have dinner parties and we invite each other to them. Now, at these dinner parties, the men and women sit completely separately. We do. We don't speak to one another, not because we're shy or anything, but there's nothing left to be said. Okay, there's nothing left to be said. There's no witticisms and bon mots. There's none of that. We all know how the night's going to end. We know who we're going home with, and when we get home, it's going to be symptoms. That's it. Okay, that's what we have to look forward to. So the only excitement we actually have, okay, as a bunch of middle-aged people, when we get to these dinner parties, dessert. This is what we live for. So I have a very dear friend, my friend Ruchika. She has excellent dinner parties. She always invites me to them. And as soon as I walk in, I just walk right up to her and I'm like, what's for dessert? And she answers me like she is describing dick. It's what you want. It's what you've been asking for. And I'm like, what is it? What is it? What is it? She's like, it's your favorite. And I'm like, oh, Banoffee pie, Banoffee pie. And by the way, at these dinner parties, the other thing is you'll see all the men. They stand together in little clusters. Okay? They're clustered together in tiny groups, and they're clustered on the basis of the sporting activity that they've decided to take up in middle age. The moment a man turns in Gurgaon after 42, you have to start cycling. There are no other options. You must go out there and buy the top of the line Schwinn bike. Okay, with those little tight cycling things, with a leotard basically. And one of those like fucking funny looking helmets like doing the aerodynamic. How fucking fast are you going, dude? Aerodynamic. I don't know what age is, but I'll tell you what age is not. Age is not cute. It's not cute. Like everything that you used to do when you were young is now just not. That used to be cute, it's not cute anymore, okay? And even little things have changed so much, like, you can sit down on a chair, chat with your friend, and then get up and walk away. I can't do that. If I sit down on a chair for any length of time, okay, when I get up, I have to first pull all my clothes out of my ass. I don't know when my asshole became the Bermuda Triangle of my body, but it's just disappearing all my clothes and yeah. And you'll see this, by the way, Young people, you'll see this the middle ages tonight. The moment everyone stands up, there's going to be one of two things. Either the where we try and shake it loose, we think we're being so fucking subtle, or the full pull, which is what I believe in, back and front.